ओ स्पेड आ गया। ओह कॉल कर दिया।
चेक कर दो यार। That was fun, huh?
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to another video at OK Tested. अब आप लोग know me, मतलब you guys know me. You guys know when I do cheers, I don't do it without eye contact. When I make eggs, they never get made. When I make music, it's not that bad sometimes, मतलब. But you guys also know that I like poker. Yes, I do. But before I get into that, poker as a game, यार, I feel is very misunderstood, यार. मतलब जब भी कोई पोकर के बारे में सोचता है, they think of casinos or like a spy movie, you know, luck playing a big part. But actually, poker is a very, very highly skilled game. Yeah, higher your skill, higher your chance of winning. When we think of a poker game, we think like few people are sitting on a table, playing against each other, one space. But that's when you get like the advantages of online poker, you know, where you can play with anyone professionally from anywhere around the world. So I was like, I need to improve my skill set at online poker. Now you'll be like, why Akshay suddenly? Yeah, that's because I came across the National Poker Series hosted by PokerBaazi, which is like India's leading poker platform. And I was like, I need to take part in this. Now you'll be like, Akshay, why, buddy? Well, that's because they have a tournament, the Golden Rush tournament, where with a buy-in of 550 rupees, I have a chance to win out of a pot of 1 crore rupees. Yaar, matlab, this might be my last video, yaar. I might just win and, you know, say bye-bye, alvida, you know. But let's see. That's what we're going to see over the next 4 days. Whether I can improve my skill set. I've played poker thoda sa bachpan mein. But let's see if I can improve my skill set. For that, I'm going to get a little help, which you'll find out through the video. And let's see 4 days later, will I win the Baazi or will the Baazi win me? Just let's see. For all of you guys who don't know anything about poker, basically क्या है कि you need to make the best 5 cards. Now you will be given 2 cards, ठीक है? And there are 5 cards on the table. Total कितना हुआ? 7 cards. And the best 5 cards can like range from the highest sequence, which is a royal flush, है ना, to a lowest thing that you have, which is a high card. So let's see. See you in the meeting. So guys, it's my first day today where I start improving my poker skill set. यार, I used to play a few years ago and all, but अब मैं थोड़ा सा rusty हो गया हूँ. So I can't wait to get back into the मैदान. But the folks at PokerBaazi have been kind enough to introduce me to a professional poker player, Mr. Ritvik Khanna, who's going to help me improve my poker game. यार, let me just say that it's not as bad as people might expect. Hey Ritvik, what's up?
All good, all good. You tell me.
All good, yeah, all good. I can see you come prepped with your, matlab, I know you're like my guru now for the next few days. You're going to help me out.
Yeah, for sure. No, that's my usual setup, my grinding schedule. So this is where I spend my most time.
Let's play a game. You'll also get to see my skill set also then. Huh?
Yes.
My skill set, also called my kill set. PokerBaazi with the crazy music that comes at the beginning. Loudly. Oh, freaking cool, eh? Music. That's I'm like 80s. What is it called? 80s synthwave.
Yeah, let's hope that works out for you.
Hopefully, yaar, hopefully. So Ritvik has sent me the private table card number. I am now joining.
Yes, I've raised.
I have called. You have raised.
You're
I
fine.
will call. यार.
No respect. Respect to my raises.
इसी बात पे. For Guruji. Respect for Guruji.
Oh, so your sizing is fairly decent. I thought you'd be playing like a maniac, but yeah, it's fine. I think I'll have to fold this.
हाँ 10 है sir के 5. But I want to see his hand because I want to see how he plays. Chalo, let's call. I have nothing.
You were right about the 10 pair. You were right. You were on point. See, you were right and you paid me off. That's a polarized bet. 4x over pot. I didn't know you knew all these things, bro. Oh, that's a tough spot.
See, I don't know the theories behind them. I just know that this seems like a good call. Oh! Oh, dude. All in.
This is tough, dude. This is not what I usually go through.
Okay, my skill set is intact.
Why take a risk right now on this LB? Full house.
You have clearly clearly beaten me.
Thank you. I just lucky. Just lucky.
No, it's not lucky. You were just trying to like represent a hand which I wasn't believing you'd have. So
Right, yeah. I
That's
know. I mean, I didn't believe actually. I got a 9 at the beginning. I was like, okay, what? Now full of what?
But that's feedback for me, yaar. Thanks, Ritvik. But okay, for people who are watching, मतलब first time poker players, people who are wanting to get into poker and they're like, अरे नहीं यार, लेकिन ये क्या है? पता नहीं, इतने cards. What kind of feedback or what kind of advice would you give them, yaar?
I think when you're starting to play poker, firstly you should understand what the game is. It's a mind game. Firstly, it's a mind sport. You have to get into the heads of other players, and that is the part which intrigued me, which led me to pursue poker. Because I mean, I can play around with people's head. That's intriguing. That's interesting. That's fun. So there's this one concept called player profiling. Once you're sitting on a table, right? Even if you're not playing a hand, right? Even if you're folded, just observe the table. Your observing skills should be like top notch, because you want to know what the other player's strategy is, right? Because when you're in a hand with him, you have profiled him like
Yeah.
well enough, right?
Yeah.
So that's why. I mean, even if you're not playing hand, observe all the hands that are happening on the table. It's a low buy-in tournament. So low buy-in tournaments where there are mostly a lot of people playing who don't know how to play. So if there are people who don't know how to play, it's easier to exploit them. So it'll be easier for you to play with those guys. As
Thank
opposed to if you're playing the Golden Rush directly, if you're playing it, then
Ah.
you have people like you.
So right now I'm trying to be very cool and chill. Ritvik wasn't playing too much. He was putting 20 rupees. यहाँ पे साला लोग 500 कर रहे हैं. ओ बे यार 4,500 चिप्स का भाई ने. चलो let's call it before the flop only. कैसे जीता? ओह, उसको स्ट्रेट मिल गया. पोकर के साथ एक बहुत लव हेट रिलेशनशिप बन जाता है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विन व्हेन यू लूज इज रियली बैड. यू फील लाइक ब्रेकिंग थिंग्स एंड स्टफ. मेरे को पता था तभी मैंने पे खेला. दिस इज रॉन्ग. दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड नॉट लेट इमोशंस गेट द बेटर ऑफ यू. Ritvik, I'm remembering you. Chalo guys, that was fun and day 2 has been really great. I have lost all my chips, but it's okay. When the chips are down, you pick them up and eat them, because 5-second rule. Remember that. Let's meet tomorrow. Hey guys, so in a bit I'm going to be playing my first Sati, which is short form for Satellite Tournament. I put in a minimum buy-in and hopefully if I do well, I can qualify for the Golden Rush. Another way to qualify for the Golden Rush is through flights, which is like a multi-day kind of tournament, and the minimum buy-in is just 1 rupee. And if you're not, if you're like, yaar, kya Golden Rush and all, you just want to play, then there are also free kind of tournaments available. So check whatever kind of suits you. Hey? Abhi just wish me luck for my Sati. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy. Got a flush. I think I have the best hand on the table. Okay, I won. Chalo, good. First hand. Let's go to the next one. इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं यार. फ्लॉप अच्छा नहीं है तो फोल्ड कर देंगे. क्या बोलते हो बंटा लोग? भाई ऑल इन चला गया यार. What is this guy? Oh no, he won the hand because he has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Manish had a straight. It's getting a little intense. This Billu guy with Mr. Pablo's face is playing well. 350 करके यार कितना raise कर रहे हैं यार. क्यों? Check कर दे बस. Check कर दे भाई. Check कर दे. Just check it. Just check it. I don't have any cards. I was bluffing. Guys, please, when you bluff in life, you should bluff well. I have bluffed badly. This is why I can't. When you get too deep in, then you want to call. I'm so sorry, yaar. I should not have. I'm going to lose this hand. It's bad. 1 crore के सपने थे. I have no cards. 10 pair on the table. I won with high card. 9. This money paisa guy is a bluff guy, dude. Thank God. Safe. Alright, let's go. Factorial. Okay, now I'm a little, okay. How to sit? Okay, what to say? Jai, I can eat. 9, 10 aa jaye. 9, 10 queen aa jaye. 9, 10 queen, bhai. Okay, come on. Not bad, not bad. Everyone's calling. सब पागल हो गए हैं. Come on, Manish. What happened, Manish? Getting scared, Manish? Raised another 150. Aces. Nice. Ritvik's advice has worked in this one. Just play it chill. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. हो सकता है. देखते हैं. He called it. Screw it. ले जा. नहीं देखना. I am going to take him down. मैं ये छोड़ूंगा ही नहीं तब तक. I lost. He played well. 2 seats GTD to tap to. Oh, I get it. I was because it's 2 seats. I still get through, right? Okay, awesome. Okay, I got. Okay, I thought I lost. Okay, guys, I've got through. Whew. Okay, so that's it, guys. Day 1 satellite. Akshay Nahi Yaar has become Akshay Haan Yaar, and I am on fire, and I'm feeling really cool. And मैंने बाजी मार ली है, except for Billu. I feel bad I couldn't beat Billu, but that's okay. Hopefully I meet him or someone like him on the next table and we'll beat him. And I hope in the next table we will try for the top 1 position. Now let's go where? I'm going to just keep practicing and I will see you guys tomorrow, which is the final day and the step 2 Sati. And if I get that, I qualify for the Golden Rush. Let's hope सब ठीक हो जाए and hope आपकी दुआएं हैं. बस बाकी क्या चाहिए. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, so the finale has started for me, bhai. Let's see. Bazinga. Oh, somebody's taken the name Bazinga. Hand is starting in 8 seconds, yaar. Please, Ashirwad de do. I really hope that this works out well. Can't believe, yaar, I'm playing a game, a tournament with so much stress just sitting on my sofa at home. Love it. Compared to the table, yaar, king hai, ace hai, bhai. जिसके पास, साला अगर किसी के पास 2 भी है, they'll beat me. बस, भाई अब तो खेलना ही नहीं है, इस गेम में खेलना ही नहीं है. बस देखना है. I'm listening to Ritvik and I'm still focusing on the game. What's happening now? There's a double pair on the table, and Big Show has checked. Means he's a safe player. Classifier if he's not. Queen high card पे जीत गया ये double pair and Queen high card. Cool. I had Jack high card, so I would have lost this anyway. So thankfully I have one. Okay, let's go. King and 3 in hand, not a bad one. चलो 390 call करते हैं. Let's see King and 3 in purse. अरे यार. I called it. Should not have called it. This could be my last hand. Why do I play like this? I hope that it becomes a spade. It comes out. Otherwise, that's it. Bye, Tony. Please just check the goddamn thing, Armageddon. Just check it. Yes, I got a flush on the last. Okay, 2 jacks. I'm going to kill this. Okay, I have to stop watching so many deals. Waiting for Bazinga. Nothing. Folded. Called. Bajaj bhai, आप भी call कर लो. Pot को increase करो. Very good. The more people that call, the pot keeps increasing. So bigger wins. Small raises यार. औकात के अंदर रहना चाहिए हमेशा यार. छोड़ा चलो. I know I'm not listening to Ritvik right now, but I'm raising. Raise 210. चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. कॉल कर दिया कमीने ने. Tell me he doesn't have an ace. Muck. Okay, he was lying. All right. Not bad, dude. 9,000. I'm leading the table right now. Feels like I've got some very basic players. Yeah. Bazinga has won. What did he even know? He has an ace with a jack high. Okay, it's me versus Bazinga now. Okay, that's a good game. Chalo, okay, 3, okay, double 8s. I have ace and king in hand. I am going the whole way. Let's go. Call 120. Isme bhi 2 seats will qualify. So right now I think I'm qualifying. I think I've qualified for the Golden Rush, bro. I think so. Wait, I think so. 2 seats GTD to Golden Rush, 1 CR GTD flight 1. Lucky boy. Well done. Okay, game is done. That's it. Oh, okay, dude, I have qualified. I'm qualified as second, but I've qualified for the Golden Rush. I am now going to be playing. I am eligible basically to contest for that pool and that pot of 1 crore. Matlab accumulated pot. Bazinga and me, I think, are reaching the Golden Rush. This is kick-ass. I actually didn't expect this. I thought, shit, I haven't actually won in a long time. Even Booker challenges, anything, quizzes. So I feel very, very fresh. So thank you. Wow. So guys, a few days ago I set out with the idea to like improve my poker game so that I could qualify for the Golden Rush. And today I feel very validated, vindicated because I have qualified and I have improved my poker game, I'd like to believe. If you want to do the same, you can download the PokerBaazi app from pokerbazi.com or from the App Store. And if you don't know the game yet and you want to play, don't worry. The tournaments are on till the 27th, you know. Games are happening constantly. So you can take part and see how it goes, yeah. Maybe you'll also reach the Golden Rush like me. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and it piqued your interest in poker or it reinforced your interest in poker if you already have one. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to OK Tested. Also, don't forget to download our app, which is available on the Play Store and the App Store. And you can play quizzes with your friends and family sitting anywhere. So yeah, don't forget to do that and keep watching OK Tested.